Hi, I'm Dave Boy, and welcome to another episode of Talk Venture, where every conversation is a new experience. Today's episode is special not just because of our guest, but because I'm not doing it alone this time. I'll be joined by our new co-host who will be joining us from here on. So without further ado, let me introduce our co-host for Talk Venture, a good friend and somebody who I'm sure you will love, Seance.
Hi, I'm Seance from Seance and the Klepto Kids. I'm an artist, content creator, and also one of the founding members of the Old Scars Youth Eternal community.
So thank you, Seance, for joining us, and
course.
it's actually a genuine thrill to have you here.
Of course.
And I'm looking forward to the next future episode with you. So as I mentioned, today's episode, our guest for today is not only a very good drummer, but he's also an entrepreneur. We'll be speaking about his life as a drummer and his on the business side. So I guess let's not keep our viewer waiting.
Yeah.
So let's please welcome Mr. Adrian Alcantara. Welcome to Talk Venture.
Cozy ng upuan na to.
Of course. Adrian, first of all, tell our viewers, our lovely viewers who've been supporting us since our first episode, about you first as a drummer. What is it about you about being a drummer, and why a drummer?
Kasi yung mga ibang tao lumalaki, di ba? Parang bakit nag-basketball, ba't ka na gano'n? One time, yung dad ko kasi seaman eh. One time lang nag-uwi siya ng Bon Jovi VCD live.
Yeah.
Band
Yeah.
Ano lang ako na, like 4-5 years old.
Wow.
Tapos, siyempre kakapanood, parang gusto kong ginagawa lang, parang gusto kong maging Bon Jovi. So I tried that singing, pero hindi kaya ng parang si Most parang hindi yata binigay sa akin talent na yun. So I tried drumming and doon ako nag-enjoy. So basically, gano'n lang kasimple, parang may live Bon Jovi VCD hindi DVD VCD.
Yeah.
Hindi naman VHS. Diba?
Not primitive, pero old school.
Old school. So,
Okay.
yun, nung tinagay ko mag-drums, super nag-enjoy lang ako. Parang I took it as a hobby, passion. Like any other kid na
Grabe.
natripan mag-basketball, doon siya nag-enjoy.
Started super young.
Yeah,
doon
how
ako
old did
nag-enjoy.
you start again?
Like 5, 6.
Wow.
While some 5-6-year-old kid, toys agad ang inano nila eh. Ikaw, drums na. Wow.
Well, di naman siya naging agad-agad. Obviously, ang mahal ng drum set eh. Tas,
Yeah.
it took me as sometime family ko, parang hindi naman ganun ka at that time. And yung first drum kit ko is yung simple na talaga, yung nasa roon. Di ba? So,
yeah.
Alam mo babagit ng brands pero ganun lang kasimple. Ganun lang kasimple.
Okay, it worked naman.
And look where it got you, di ba?
Thankfully.
Uno
So yeah,
na
that's the why. I just enjoy playing drums.
Were you, how do you call this? Were you taught or nag-music school ka? Did you have a tutor?
Ako, like most people in my era, YouTube learnings.
Okay, YouTube
Wala akong
University.
naging, YouTube
Okay.
well, in that ko nagturo sa akin ng basic. Kasi yung pang naagda kami kasi, ganyan.
So we played drums din. Your dad.
Yung dad ko, all around. Parang not the greatest, parang good at drumming, good at playing the guitars, good at singing, good lang, walang, pero yung all around.
But what's he professional then or ano lang?
Hindi, trip
parang
lang.
may banding siya noon?
Ano lang, siya yung banda dito, banda na nag-enjoy lang talaga.
He jammed with friends.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
That's
yeah.
nice.
Ganun.
So moving forward, what was your first break or parang nung pumasok ka sa music scene,
Music scene.
whether amateur or
Yeah,
professional na?
So I've been doing drum videos covers since 2011, 2012. Usually parang mas nakilala ako sa metalcore, metal videos eh.
Wow.
I think
Wow.
yung unang break was joining, basta hiatus na kami ngayon eh. 2018 yun, I joined with Mr. Bones in the Boneyard Circus. Isa yun
Ooh.
yung...
Yeah, familiar.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I've seen them live at some point
Yeah,
when I
for
was
sure.
younger.
Lalo sa scene mo. yeah.
Mr. Bond,
Yeah.
actually, yan, yan.
Yeah. I would say
Kilala.
it was a break kasi yung gigs, yung lalo yung actually sila parang rockstar life talaga sila eh. Parang ang saya kasama.
Yeah.
Ganun, hapon pa lang, parang ang dami nung nainom, tapos tugtog mamayang
Sila.
parang ganun lang, parang
Yeah.
ganun. And, yun, it was a break for me, parang doon ko nang nakasama yung mga, sina Slapshock, sina
Wow.
Typecast, di ba? Parang yun, basically parang unti-unti parang nakakasama mga mainstream bands, ganyan. Siguro another break is, ang weird niya at kakaiba. Yun nga, when I got the gig with SB19, so
Wow.
napakalayong mundo. Parang ako, nasa metal talaga ako. I
Yeah.
do drum metal covers mostly. Tapos biglang, yun nga, like a pop group would contact me for
Sessioning.
For sessioning. So it was, di ba,
That's
first time
something.
sa akin yung mag-araneta, mag-MOA. So yeah, I think those are some breaks.
How was the experience naman? Like, ano yung how did you manage to adjust from the metal scene to syempre ibang discipline yan eh. So paano ang ano mo? I mean,
Pag-merge
if you could give us a walkthrough lang of yung when you got that gig, anong changes or adjustment ginawa mo?
Wala, ginawa ko yung metal din. Sabi nga ng fans ng SB19 yung community, nangyari nga pang it was their metal era, yung 1 year, yung na yun. Kasi ang naging mabigat nga yung atake eh.
That's actually
Yeah,
really
yeah.
interesting that you were able to have that influence din sa kanila.
Oo. Saka na-imagine ko, yung palo mo, ganun pa rin, I guess.
Yeah. Galit pa rin.
Pero walang like the musical director or anyone behind the production, wala namang pinano sa'yo na, make it a little
Hindi nga,
popish.
they loved it nga, thankfully.
Okay. Galing.
Kasi ganda ka ng time na yun.
And Science, as I mentioned, he's not just a drummer, but he's also an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Did you know that this guy built up his own company that produces drumsticks
Exactly.
for the local, for the Pinoy drummer? Siyempre, gusto rin niyang, ang kanilang vision is to provide very good yet cheap drumstick, which is being distributed by joint venture.
Yes.
So that's the best part. So please, can you tell us something about how did how did that baby project or dream project perhaps, how did that come to materialize?
I ventured to many businesses. Literal, I ventured many.
It's a talk venture.
I ventured many businesses. Nagtry ako ng food stall, ng tiangge,
Wow.
I tried learning stocks trading, crypto trading, etc. Bayan sila ako ng kotse, etc. Pero ito yung, nung venture ko tong drumsticks, kasi problema ko rin talaga siya. It was, public yung brand 2019, pero 2018 nag-R&D na ako. Kasi walang machine dito pag gumawa ng drumsticks. May nakakolab akong engineer na siya gumawa ng Basta stress yun yung manufacturing. First 2-3 years, stress yun. Pero ang point ko lang why I started the business is problema ko siya. Namamahalan ako sa itong brand na to or itong brand na to. Namamahalan ako like
True.
ang mahal ng 800 or 1K parang
So basically, you're trying to solve your own problem through Rimshot.
Yeah, pantichinig ko muna siyempre na business side. Kaya ba, kikita ba ako dito? Kayanin ba, ganyan. And thankfully, thankfully naman.
Yeah, I feel like
Thankfully naman.
like based on personal experience too, like from what I've heard from drummers all around, like Rimshot is very beloved in the community.
It's a household, actually becoming a household name na among especially mga aspiring and starting drummer, and even your ambassadors, I'm sure they all had their stories bakit they chose to endorse you.
Actually, nakakatawa nga din yun. Yung mga endorsers parang yung users na muna talaga sila eh. Then we just parang collab lang na.
Wow.
Actually, most of my parang 90% of them yung parang ginagamit na talaga. Then we just, sige tara lang kita, sponsor lang kita ng
So solid ang kanilang mga ambassadors, as in household names. Some of them are of course yung genre to this generation. So okay, about Rimshot. Why Rimshot muna, and ano ang kamusta siya sa community? How is it being accepted or how is it kamusta
Got
siya sa community ngayon ng drummer especially?
Why Rimshot? Actually, for the brand name na lang. Yun nga, Rimshot is a way of playing, hitting the snare, literal. Parang
Unique.
solid na malakas pumalo, ganun.
Yeah, very unique.
So, weakness ko kasing pumalo ng mahina. Parang ganun. Kaya sa Rimshot. Pero actually, na-patent ko siya, yung copyright, like last 2021, 22. Yeah, so ako na may-ari ng
Nice.
ng name for a few more years, niya gano'n naman yan. Tapos may copyright international so about the community, I think ang nakikita ko kasi parang may problema ako and I think na-solve ko din natin yung problema nila.
Yeah.
I think ganun lang, and gumawa rin ako ng tiers. Parang there's no excuse na hindi ka na mag-drums kasi may 650, di ba? May 350, tapos may 150.
Tama,
So parang
correct.
wala kang excuse para hindi mag-drums. Parang
It
ganun.
hits like every market.
Yeah, pwede in term, yeah, tama. I think, aside from the price point, what I do rin is, upcoming na mga mangyayari, is yung mga free drum clinics,
Wow.
free,
Take advantage of that, drummers.
Yeah.
hindi lang, basta coming yan. Ito nga, well, baka maposo na later na, pero like sa Wednesday, may Nueva Ecija akong drum clinic doon,
Wow.
ganyan. Ito, mga few months, sa June may Palawan, ganyan.
Wow.
Parang, kasi, I want it to be free.
Yeah.
Dahil, I think, yung mga malayong places, mas kailangan ng based on my experience, parang, mas kailangan nila ng knowledge. Parang lang.
Parang reach out the knowledge
reach out
and
lang, ganun,
education
ganun.
to them.
Yeah.
Parang, kaya ako ginagawa ng free, di ba? Parang ang daming, example, what if a student from simple public school gusto mong
Yeah.
ganyan. Siyempre, mahal yung mag-ticket ka ng 500, 1K,
yeah.
whatever, di ba?
A lot of knowledge I feel like is gate kept
Mm,
by
ganun,
like
ganun.
prices and everything nowadays, and
True.
especially when it comes to the arts, it's nice to be able to give back then once in a while.
Ganun ako,
We can.
yun din yung upcoming kong, di naman, alam mo sabing advocacy, pero yun yung gusto kong trip parang
Yeah.
gig, I treat it as a gig, drum clinic gig, ganyan, I'll invite, mag-arrange ako ng flight dyan, or itong artist, sasama ko sa, taga, ako ba, sa basta mangyayari lang yung, yung trip, yung gig, yung free gig, yeah, free gig.
So tune in for that soon for sure.
Very exciting yun. Very exciting. So, syempre, you're doing sticks. Any plans of perhaps other, like maybe a full drum setup, a custom drums, or economical drum? Syempre, yun ang din ang gusto ng mga drummers. Have their own kit na at a very affordable price. Wala lang. Just a thought.
Di ko matanggihan ngayon, pero parang at the same time, I know where I am yung brand.
Yeah.
Para kasing, ito yung thought process ko sa branding. Parang, kotse. Wala lang bugit ng brand. Kotse. Para akong tire manufacturer, like this.
Yeah.
But those, parang hindi naman sila gagawa ng cars Parang, then again, open naman ako
Kasi
ever,
bagay,
kasi may nagtatanong din, what if magka-cymbals pa dyan,
Yeah.
magka-drum set, pero, I think, right now is, sticks alone.
Yeah.
Di ko siya sasabing lang Kasi sasabihin ba yung kotse mo, gulong lang yan. It's the only thing na mahawak sa'yo sa kalsada.
It supports the
ganyan.
drive. It supports the travel.
Kasi, alam
The
niyo ba,
destination.
like, before kasi I raced motorcycles, ganun,
Astig.
sa Clark, ganyan.
Awesome.
Even cars and drifting, ganyan. Yung mga trip ko kapag kaya, kapag kakayanin. Pero, ang natutunan ko doon, gulong ang pinaka hindi tinitipid sa lahat. Kasi it's the only thing na nagko-contact sa'yo sa kalsada Ang drumsticks, para siyang ganun. If you use low quality, mafe-feel mo na low quality yung kapit mo yung playing mo. Para siyang ganun
Yeah.
Para siyang ganun So,
Kumbaga, why invest on very expensive tires when you can get economical yet safe and durable? I think that's what Rimshot naman offers.
meron namang all class.
Yeah.
Meron naman.
Yeah. Okay. So, thank you for sharing. Actually, my first time to find out that he's also a motorcycle enthusiast.
Yeah, medyo
At the same time,
a passion ko kasi parang there's drumming, music, pero at the same time, ito yung kabilang ano ko, automotive, I like cars, I like,
awesome.
ano.
Well, since you have mentioned already your upcoming project, would you like to share with our viewers your anything where they can follow you, where can they buy Rimshot aside from joint venture showroom?
Well, all sticks nga, Rimshot is available sa all joint venture stores, like, di ba, sa Intune, sa SM North, SM Mega Mall,
Very
Green
nice.
Hills,
Very nice.
dito sa QC, ito kung nasan kami ngayon, Century Mall, Makati. Basta alam nyo na yan, nasa website, alam nyo na yan, follow nyo ako. Kahit di nyo kayo follow, okay lang. Okay lang.
Follow him.
Alam nyo na kung nasan yan. And siguro stay tuned lang dun sa mga upcoming free clinics. Yun lang. Yun lang yung watch out sa page ng joint venture and Rimshot para sa upcoming shows natin. Yun lang.
Wow, that's make sure to follow him. Not just him, but also our joint venture TV, joint venture, and of course Altitude Studio, where we're having this wonderful set.
Yes.
Thank you, Altitude. So, Seance, any closing words that you would like to ask him or to tell our viewers?
Yeah, I feel like I just want to say thank you on behalf of like a lot of people. And like,
Thank
I
you.
don't know, I'm not like I'm the representative of everyone, but
Mm.
I can see kasi the benefits din of like Rimshot. Even me personally, because I'm still learning drums. Like, I just picked up drums very recently. So, yun nga, yung sinabi mo na parang drumsticks are basically your point of contact sa drums, but like it makes a difference to like when you're playing and everything like that. So to be able to have access like that to something affordable and of quality, and for other people to have that too, like I feel like it's a big deal, like in our local scene, our community, and I feel like it's gonna continue to make a difference, and we want to say thank you for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
The
you.
drum
Welcome.
community is blessed to have you
So yun, cheers.
for what you shared.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, I hope you have learned a lot from today's episode. Please do follow us. Of course, you can still watch the first pilot episode. And if you have any comment, suggestion of who you want us to guest, just leave it in the comment section. So having that said, thank you so much for joining us again for this Talk Venture conversation. And
Be sure to
Take
tune in
care.
next time.
yeah, and we'll see you on the next episode.